Hada kalamun, we only said two words. This, a pen, but you will translate, this is a pen. But in Arabic, what will you say? Hada kalamun. You will say, hada kitabun. There is no is, or m, or r in Arabic. So you have to. Okay, brothers and sisters? Okay. So, the first picture says, Haza baytun. What is the next one, brother? Haza masjidun. Okay. And the next word? Haza babun. Okay. What is the next word? Haza kitabun. You will have to say bun properly. Remember. Dun dan din. You must say properly. Okay. Haza kitabun. Hada qalamun. Mun. Hada miftahun. Hada maktabun. Hada sarirun. Hada kursiyun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Correct? Easy? This is easy, you know it. But now you got to memorize the vocabs and practice at home. Okay, inshallah. Can one of you read loudly, brother? Read it, brother Muhammad, loudly. With bun, dun dan din, okay?
Haza baytun.
Haza baytun.
Haza masjidun.
Haza masjidun.
Haza babun.
Haza babun.
Haza kitabun.
Haza kitabun.
Haza qalamun.
Haza qalamun.
Haza miftahun.
Haza miftahun.
Haza maktabun.
Haza maktabun.
Haza sarirun.
Haza sarirun.
Haza kursiyun.
Haza kursiyun. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Okay, now we come to the next page. What is written there? Ma haza. Ma is used for asking question. It means what? There is a name in it, but we won't go in detail right now. Later on, we will go in detail and learn all the names that are for the nouns and the particles for asking question later on, inshallah. Okay. So when you ask a question, you say ma hadha. What is the meaning? Again, is this not there? Ma means what? Hadha means this. What this? No, but it is what is this? Because the copula verbs are not in Arabic. Okay, linking verbs are not there. Ma hadha. What is the answer? Hadha baytun. This is a house. What is this? This is a house. Okay, brother. Now, I come something here. Hadha baytun. This is a statement. This is a house. How do I change that into a question? By just putting Hamza. What will you say now? Ahaza baytun. But then you will have to put a question mark. And you have to even change your tone. Ahaza baytun. Ahaza baytun. No, you're asking a question. So your tone has changed. Ahaza baytun. This is a house. Let me write down properly. This is a house. Okay, brother and sister, this is a house. How about here? Is this a house? Is this a house? So this, putting Hamza in front of a statement, brother, change it into a question. Are you with me? No other changes. Just by putting Hamza in front of a sentence, you change into a question.
أليس الله بأحكم الحاكمين ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى
Are you with me, brothers? Okay. And what is the answer? Na'am. What is the answer? Na'am. Okay? Or if it is negation, you will say la. Okay, brother, what is na'am and la? What are they? Are they nouns? Are they verbs? What are they? Write down in the little note, brothers and sisters. What are they, brother? They are called now, brother, these are the things you are writing. I do not expect you to know everything tomorrow. But this little note that you are writing will help you later on. Inshallah, someday you will stand up and teach. So, you remember, everything in Arabic can be divided into 3 groups. And what are they? Nouns, verbs, and particles. Everything in Arabic language, you can put it into 3 groups. Okay. What is hadha? It's a noun. What is bait? It's a noun. Oh, then what is noun? It's a harf. Harfu jawab. Particle of answering. And what is la? Harfu jawab. Okay, brother? You use here. This is also particle. Okay? But ma is ism. Now, I'm only telling you, if you want to write it down, you write it down. I do not expect you to know it by tomorrow. I don't expect you, brother. But slowly, this thing will really make a lot of sense to you. When we do later on in book 3, detailed analysis of everything, then these things will come back to you. Right now, if you want, I'm just throwing at you. If you can understand and retain in your mind, alhamdulillah. If you forget, you don't worry. Don't blame yourself. Because we'll be repeating it, inshallah. Okay, brother? Ahadha baytun? Naam. Yes. Hadha baytun. Ma hadha? What is this? Hadha kamisun. Remember, we got to pronounce it. Kamisun. Okay, brother? Ahadha sarirun? La. Hadha kursiyun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Hadha kursiyun. Okay. Again, what is la? It's a particle. Harfu jawab. Particle of answering. Okay. Ahadha miftahun? La. Hadha qalamun. Hadha qalamun. Okay. Ma hadha? Hadha najmun. The pictures are there, so it's easy, but I hope you will put little time and memorize the vocabs. Inshallah, it will help you. Every effort, inshallah, will make you better and better. Brother, let me tell you one more thing. This is what I believe, and I always mention in the class, and I'll mention it now, brothers and sisters. Some of you are coming from far, from Pickering, from Brampton, and maybe still further, I don't know, okay? From Oakville, maybe. Brother, every minute that you are spending to come to learn Arabic, the time that you are driving, the time that you spend at home to revise your lessons, to do your homework, the time that you sit in the class inshallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will treat it as your ibadat. You know why? Because we are learning the language of the Quran for the love of Quran. No other reason. No dunya here. Only akhirah. We are learning Arabic for the love of Allah. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So every minute that you'll spend in the class, in your car, at home, doing your homework, inshallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, in His infinite mercy, will treat it as if you are doing His ibadat. Because we are doing for His love and for the love of His book, inshallah. Okay. Now, brother, ma is what? And man is who? Are you with me? Now, there is another difference, brother. In the whole universe, there are two types of aql, having intelligence, or they are ghair aql, with no intelligence. Are you with me? Human beings have intelligence, but things have no intelligence. Pen doesn't have intelligence. Okay, kitab doesn't have intelligence. We have intelligence. Huh? So anything which is aql, having intelligence, when you want to find out about that, you will use man. When you want to find out about things, you will use ma. Huh? Now, the define that the aql, group consists of three creations. One is the human being, other is malaika, and the third one is jinn. You like it or not, they also have intelligence. Jinns have intelligence. Okay? So when you refer to human beings, malaika, and jinns, you use man. For the rest of the things, it is ma. Are you with me, brothers? So, you can say, ma hadha. Are you with me? You can say, ma hadha, haza kalamun. But if I point to brother Muhammad and say, I cannot say ma hadha, I will say, man hadha. What will I say? Man hadha. And my answer will be, hadha Muhammadun. Are you with me? I am not pointing out to female now because of a reason that I'll explain you in next class. And from next class onwards, I'll be pointing out to sisters also. If I point out to this brother, I will say, man haza. Then the answer will be, haza Hasan. Hasanun. Hasanun. And then if I point out to the third gentleman, again I will say, man haza. I will say, haza Abdus Samad. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So, for human beings, anything aql or rational nouns, we use man. For gair aql or irrational nouns, we use ma. Simple, brother. So, let's see now. Look at the picture, and what is the question? Man haza. Haza tabibun. What is the meaning of tabibun? Doctor. Got the idea? Haza tabibun. Man haza. Haza waladun. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Then next one, man haza, he has got his little bag, school bag with him. Man haza, haza talibun. Talibun, mashallah. Now the question. How you start your question? By putting a. Haza waladun. Is this a boy? La. Haza rajulun. So all these new vocabs are coming. And you got to memorize it. Rajulun, a man. Brothers and sisters, next one. Ma hadha. Hadha masjidun. Man hadha. So his question for and pointing out to an aql person. Okay. Man hadha. Hadha tajirun. What is the meaning of tajirun? Merchant. Very good. Merchant. Businessman. Then haza kalbun. Dog. Huh? Okay. Ahadha kalbun? La. Hadha kittun. MashaAllah. Huh? So, brother, kittun, a cat. Huh? Hadha himarun. Hadha himarun. Okay, brother. Ahadha himarun? La. Hadha hisanun. All these vocabs, you must do it at home. Huh? Donkey, horse, okay. Ma hadha? Hadha jamalun. Hadha jamalun. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Very good. Now next page, brother. Ma hadha? Hadha dikun. Rooster. Hadha dikun. Now again the question is, man hadha, towards a human being. Pointing out to human being. Man hadha? Hadha mudarrisun. Mudarrisun. Hadha mudarrisun. Remember sun, huh? Hadha qamisun? La. Hadha mindilun. What is the meaning of mindilun? Handkerchief. Handkerchief. So we have to remember all these vocabs, huh, brother? Now, Ikra waktub. Read and write. Okay, brothers and sisters? Since I have the mic, I will be reading, but please read with me and read loudly. Huh? Remember, I have given you permission to scream and shout in the class now. Okay? Ma hadha? Hadha kalamun. Huh? Okay. You can repeat ma hadha also, inshallah. Okay. Number 2, hadha. Now, brothers and sisters, I found this very difficult. And if you find it difficult, I think it's okay. It's normal, you know, because the vowel signs are not given, you know. So we've got to remember the vowel signs. If we say hadha kalabun, that will be wrong. Hadha kalbun, because there is a sukoon on lam. So what will you do, brother? At home when you will write, you'll make sure that your vowel signs are properly put. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Huh? If you will make an effort, Allah will make it easy for us. So, kalbun. Huh? Anytime you have a problem, whether it is a sukoon or a proper vowel sign, you go back to the first lesson. Okay, brother. Hadha kalbun. Huh? Not kalabun, but kalbun. Next one, brother, loudly everybody. Man hadha? Hadha tabibun. Hadha tabibun. Very good. What is the next one, brothers and sisters? Hadha jamalun. Now, this is not jamlun, but jamalun. See, the vowel signs are very important. Huh? Okay. Next one, brother, a question. Ahadha kalbun? La. Hadha kittun. Okay, very good. Next one. Ahadha dikun? Naam. Huh? Naam. Yes. Next one, brothers. Ahadha hisanun? Is this a horse? La. Hadha himarun. This is a donkey. Okay. Next one, brothers. Hadha mindilun. This is a handkerchief. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Easy. This is all halwa puri, brother. Okay. Next one. Ahadha waladun. Huh? Naam. Man hadha? Hadha rajulun. Hadha rajulun. MashaAllah. Okay, brother. Lesson number 2. Do you feel like taking a break? Do you feel like taking a break? We can take a break if you wish. Our class timing is 9:30 to 12:30. And Fatima pointed out to me something on page number 10, brothers and sisters. At the end of the page, the question is, Vama haza. Do you see that, brothers and sisters? Vama haza. What is the meaning of va? And. And. Va means and. Okay. You know that Arabic language, you can put it into 3 groups. So what is va? Is it a noun? Is it a verb? What is it? What I didn't say was particle. So it's a particle. Are you with me? It is ataf. We call it harfu ataf. So remember, but you do not have to memorize now. I'm only pointing out to you. Later on, I will be repeating it over and over, and inshallah, you will get into your memory. So va means and. In English, we call it conjunction, and in Arabic, we call it ataf. Ataf. Okay. But as I said, you can write it down, but you don't have to really memorize it. Waw is ataf. So you got that done, and now we come to zalika. Brother, what is hadha? This. More than that, it's a pronoun. What kind of a pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun. And what do we call in Arabic? Ismu ishara. Again, as I said, don't get stressed that I have to memorize it. No. I will be repeating it and saying to you ismu ishara. After a little while, you will know it is ismu ishara. Okay. Now, what is the difference between this and that? This you use for pointing out things which are closer to you. And that you say for far things. So, both are pronouns, demonstrative pronouns. In Arabic, we'll say, Hadha ismul ishara lil qarib, for something that is closer. And Zalika ismul ishara lil ba'id. Very simple, very simple. Okay? So, Hadha qalamun, Hadha bab, Dalika babun. What did I say? Hadha qalamun, Zalika babun. So when I have to point out something which is far, you just use Zalika. Ready, brother? The question, ma is same. Ma Zalika. What is the meaning, brother? What is that now? We are talking about that. Zalika najmun. That is a star. Hadha masjidun, which is closer to us. Vazalika. What is the meaning of vazalika? And that is a house. Hadha hisanun. This is a horse. Vazalika himarun. Are you with me, brother? Zalika himarun. Now, we want to ask a question. So we are bringing Hamza in front. Azalika kalbun? La. Zalika kittun. That is a cat. Okay. Ma zalika? Zalika sarirun. Now we come to human being. And we say, Man hadha wa man zalika. Who is this and who is that? What is the answer? Hadha mudarrisun wa zalika imamun. Imam, the one who leads us in the prayers. Okay, brother? Ma zalika? Zalika hajarun. Look at the vowel signs, brother, and try to, inshallah, understand and memorize it. Zalika hajarun. What is the meaning of hajarun? A big rock. Hadha sukkarun. Look at the shadda on kaf. Hadha sukkarun. Vazalika labanun. Next one, brother. Man zalika. Who is that? Zalika Imamun. See, now you are writing mun automatically. Mun. It's not there, but you said imamun, and we will say mun, inshallah. Adhalika kittun? La. Dhalika kalbun. Dhalika kalbun. Ma hadha? Hadha hajarun. There is a fatah on jim. Not hajarun, but hajarun. Okay, brother. Al-kalimatul jadidatul. Okay, brothers and sisters. Imamun, hajarun, sukkarun, labanun. Do you see that dun coming? Are you with me? Dun coming. Can you see? Okay. Brothers and sisters, because this is intensive course, and because we expect you to go home and sit down and do your homework. Okay? Okay. Inshallah, we will move at a speed, because we want to finish this in 7 months. Darsu thalithu. Lesson number 3. Ad-darsu thalithu. Ad-darsu thalithu. Baitun. What is the meaning of baitun? A house. Indefinite. Tanween. Make it definite. Al-baytu. Got the idea? Al-baytu. Fine, brother. Kitabun. A book. Al-kitabu. Fine, brother. Qalamun. A pen. Al-qalamu. The pen. Jamalun. A camel. Al-jamalu. The camel. Now we come to Al-kalamu maksurun. What is the meaning now? Tell me, translate, brothers and sisters. Al-kalamu maksurun. Say it loudly. The pen. What did you say? The pen. You started the sentence with the pen. The pen is broken. You started with the. Okay. Now, we go to page number 4 in your handout. Keep your handouts open, brother and sister. What is sentence, brother? When you say a sentence, in Arabic we'll say al-jumlatu, al-jumla. The sentence or a sentence. Jumlatun. Okay. What is the meaning of sentence, brother? What is the meaning of it? Sentence is a group of words which make complete sense, brother. If it does not, a group of words which does not make complete sense, then it is not a sentence. Then we can call it a phrase. Okay, we call it a phrase. So here we are concerned with sentence. Okay. Now, brothers and sisters, in Arabic language, there are 2 kinds of sentences. How many kinds? 2 kinds. One is called al-jumlatul ismiyatu, and other is called al-jumlatul fi'aliyatu. Fi'al. Remember, fi'al means verb. Fi'al, fi'alun means verb. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Fi'alun means verb. Okay. So, it's very simple. Al-jumlatul ismiyatu, what do we call in English? Nominal sentence will begin with a noun. And al-jumlatul fi'liyatu, in English, verbal sentence will begin with a verb. Okay, fine. Easy, very easy. If it is a sentence, be it a nominal or verbal, be it a jumlatul ismiya or a jumlatul fi'liya, what are we looking into it? What are we looking into it, brother? You see, my approach is that I tell you all these things in the beginning so that slowly you are getting stronger. And at the same time, I tell you not to worry if you forget or if you do not understand completely. Don't worry. It will come to you. If you will come to the class, things will be repeated and you will learn more about it, inshallah. But let's talk about in English. A nominal sentence has two parts. It's broken into two sections. Section number 1, subject. What is section number 2? Predicate. Subject is a noun that we are talking about, and predicate is a statement about the noun. It gives a little more detail. What do we call subject in Arabic? So you are going to learn that thing. But if you do not retain today, don't worry. It will come to you slowly. Subject in Arabic is called al-mubtada. Al-mubtada. Or you can simply say mubtada. What will you say? Mubtada. Mubtada. What is the meaning of mubtada? The thing which begins with. Okay? Something that is used to begin something. Mubtada. Okay? Subject. And what is called predicate in Arabic? Very simple. Khabar. आज की ताज़ा खबर क्या है? खबर. Al-khabaru. Or you will say khabar. Are you with me? Khabar means news. What is the meaning of khabar? News. But as I said, brother, in English, we have subject and predicate. Are you with me? But in Arabic, we have mubtada and khabar. Are you with me, brother? Subject, predicate. Subject means mubtada, predicate means khabar. Every sentence, if it is a jumla ismiya, are you with me? Every sentence, if it is a jumla ismiya, will have these two parts. There will be a subject and there will be a predicate. Now, in the beginning, we are dealing with simple sentences. As we go deeper and deeper, then we will be learning a lot more. Things will get a little complicated. But brothers and sisters, I have experienced something. The more the complicated a thing becomes, more interesting it becomes. It becomes very interesting. Because then, you know, Arabic is like mathematics and algebra, like a science. Everything is scientific in Arabic. Brother, Arabic is such a beautiful language. And it's easy to learn. Remember my word. It's easy to learn. And I will prove it to you. But you got to work hard. If you don't work hard, then you will find it very difficult. But if you work hard, it's very easy, very enjoyable, brother. Very enjoyable. Okay, so we are going to learn more about nominal sentence. Nominal sentence has two parts. Are you with me, brother? And one is subject and one is predicate. And in Arabic, we'll say it has mubtada and it has got khabar. Fine, brother? I ask you something. Can you form a simple sentence in English, Sister Salma? Al-kalamu jadidun. What will you say? Al-kalamu jadidun. Same thing here. Al-kitabu jadidun. Or if it is an old book, what will you say? Al-kitabu kadim. But remember, you always started with al. This is what I want to point out. If you make a simple English sentence, you'll always begin with the. We have never thought about it. But now you can think about it. It means you started with a definite noun. So it means subject is always definite. It means mubtada will be always definite. Are you with me? Mubtada will be most of the time it is definite. Sometimes it will be indefinite, but most of the time it will be definite. And then, brother, what about the khabar? Khabar will be most of the time indefinite. But if I say Muhammadun, Muhammad is a doctor. So what will you say? Muhammadun tabibun. So tabibun is a indefinite. Are you with me? If I say Muhammad is a student, what will you say? Muhammadun talibun. Did you see talibun? Muhammad is definite, but talibun is indefinite. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now, more example, brother. Haza baytun. Are you with me? Baytun, a house. But haza, okay, actually it is definite. We are not going to go in detail now, but later on we will explain you that even haza is a definite. Because when you point out to something, it is something particular. But we will go in detail later on. The mubtada will be most of the time definite. And the khabar will be indefinite. Rule number 1. Sister Salma, rule number 2. Are you everybody listening? Brothers and sisters? Mubtada will always be marfu. Are you with me? Mubtada will always be marfu. What is the meaning of that? It will end with a dhamma. See, now we are coming, right away we are coming to what we were trying to say in the beginning. That noun can be marfu, can be mansub, and can be majroor. Are you with me? Sister Naima? Noun declines. Are you with me, sisters? Noun declines. It can be marfu, it can be mansub, or it can be majroor. Now, as I said, we want to know why they are marfu and mansub and majroor. So if it is a mubtada, it will always be marfu. Khalas. Got the idea, brother? If it is a mubtada, it will always be marfu. And if it is news, khabar, then also it will always be marfu. I repeat again. Nominal sentence has 2 parts. What are they, Sister Naima? Subject and predicate. In Arabic, one is mubtada and other is khabar. Now I am telling you the subject is always marfu. Means it will end in a dhamma. And the predicate will always be marfu. Are you with me? Predicate will always be marfu. Sister Fatima, is it clear? Brothers and sisters, if you don't understand, ask me. I will repeat as many times as is necessary to make it very clear to you. Sister Faiza, ask me if you don't understand anything. Okay? Brothers, same applies to you. I'm not doing a special favors. Brothers and sisters are all equal to me. I approach this way. In other classes, they just translate. And I feel if I start slowly now with you, these rules, let it take time. By the time you are in book 2, you are very comfortable. You are enjoying everything because everything is making sense to you. If I don't do this, brother, and this is what happened to me when I did not understand, when we went to book 2, and when they were talking about all these things, brothers, I was really lost. It took me a lot of time to get to understand the rules. So I do it slowly from the beginning. One more time I'll repeat. A nominal sentence, Jumla Ismiya, has two parts. One is subject, the other is predicate. One is Mubtada and the other is Khabar. Every time we look into the nominal sentence, we will look for that. And the Mubtada or the subject is always marfu. And the Khabar is always marfu. This is rule number, very important grammar rule. But when we go deeper and deeper, things will come in different colors. Are you with me? They'll come in different colors. But by that time, your mind will be in a state you will be able to understand it. Inshallah. Okay? Because right now we are dealing with simple sentences in which it is very simple and easy to identify Mubtada and Khabar. And you will see Mubtada is marfu and the